guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to head into Target to check out the deals of the week. So I think this is, let's see, September 23rd through the 29th. So let's go in and get some deals. There are some great Cartwheels, so I am so excited for this week. So let's go. Okay guys, so our deals are going to be starting in the diaper section. So this week when you buy any 2-box diapers, you're going to get a free $10 Target gift card back. This is on Huggies, this is on Pampers, pull-ups. So you just need to buy 2 boxes, and there are actually some there's a Cartwheel, there's a 10% Cartwheel on the pull-ups. We also have those one-time use coupons. So there's one for Huggies, there's one for Easy Ups, there's one for Pampers, there's one for Huggies. There are tons of coupons that you can just load to your Cartwheel app. If you don't know how to use Cartwheel, I'll have my video explaining how to do it in the description box. We still have that Ibotta offer to get $5 back with the Pampers Easy Up. So there are so many different deals you could do this week if it is a diaper week for you guys, and you don't even need physical coupons. All you need is your Cartwheel app, and it's as simple as that. So definitely load those coupons to your Cartwheel, buy your 2 boxes, and then earn your free gift card. And then if you look on select Huggies, some of them have free books inside, so free Disney books inside. So that's a nice little freebie that you can get with your boxed diaper. Okay, so we also have a gift card promo running on the wipes. So when you buy any 2 boxed wipes, this is going to be for the Huggies wipes and also the Pampers wipes, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. There are load to Cartwheel coupons inside your Target Cartwheel app for the wipes as well, for Pampers and for Huggies. So they are priced for $14.99. So just buy 2 of them, send those coupons to your Target Cartwheel, and then you'll get that free $5 Target gift card. So this is a really great time to stock up on baby wipes too if you prefer the Huggies and Pampers brand. Okay you guys, so check your select Targets. It looks like now they're having order pickup. So all you do is you go to target.com/drive-up or through the Target app, and you can get your order just delivered straight to your car. So that's really cool. Okay, so we have a nice promo in the Halloween department. So when you spend $30 or more in costumes, accessories, candy, decor, party supplies, lighting, you're going to get a free $5 Target gift card. All you need to do is text Halloween to 827-438. Now we have some great Cartwheels to pair with candy. And what is really great about this promo is they include candy. Sometimes they don't, but this time they do. So we have 20% Cartwheels for Mars candy. We have Skittles and Starburst 25% off. We have 10% off of other Mars candy. So just go to your Target Cartwheel, go to the Halloween section, and look at all of the different candy Cartwheels because there are a ton of them. And we also have 2 off 3 coupons in the Retail Me Not for Mars bag candy. So this might be a really good time to go ahead and stock up. And then also you might even find some Peely coupons on your candy. So if you look at select candy bags, there are actually coupons. It's $1 off 2 Peely coupons for the Mars Wrigley mixture. There's a Cartwheel for this guy, so definitely pair coupons with those Cartwheels. And oh my gosh, you guys, I just spotted the clearance find of a lifetime for me. You guys are never gonna believe what I found. Oh my Lord. A mini pineapple backpack. Oh my God. I am so excited right now. I'm so excited. Yep. $7.48. This is mine. Oh my God. Yes. Okay you guys, so my store has back to school stuff priced 50% off. Well, actually no, it's 70% off. So if you guys are wanting to start a couponing binder, head to Target and find one of these zip up ones. So this regularly was $22.99 and now it's $6.88. So this would be a nice coupon binder find. So definitely head to Target, check out your clearance, and yeah, make yourself a couponing binder. So this is a repeat deal. This is on the Del Monte the fruit and oat cups. So these are priced for 3 for $6 or $2 each, and there is a printable 75-cent coupon you can print from lozo.com. And then there are also 75-cent Ibotta rebates. You can go ahead and print 2 coupons, submit 2 rebates, and these come out to 50 cents each. So if you're not signed up for Ibotta, you need to. It's free money, you guys. All you need to do is buy the items, then submit your receipt. It's super easy, and this is how I save for Christmas. So I will have a link below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up. You earn a free $10 with your first redemption. You guys, this is not a scam. It works. I'm telling you guys, free money for just purchasing groceries. It's awesome. Okay guys, so we have some great coffee offers. So the Archer Farm bag coffee, these guys are on sale for $5.99, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. So let's just round this off to $6. So buy 3 of them for $18. There's a 5% Target Cartwheel you can load for Archer Farm bag coffee, and then you get that $5 Target gift card back. So this is a really great deal. Also the Starbucks bag coffee, when you buy 3, they're going to be $5.99 each, and we have Ibotta rebates. So you buy your bags and then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get some cash back. Okay, so the 1850 bag coffee, these guys are on sale again for $5.99, and we still have that printable $1.50 off 1 coupon, so that makes these $4.49. This is a really great deal on bagged coffee, you guys. Okay, so we have another repeat deal on the Planters Crunchers. So these guys are priced 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. We still have those 2 off 2 insert coupons for the Planters, and there is still $1 cash back on Ibotta. So that makes these guys 50 cents each after coupon and Ibotta. You can submit the Ibotta offer like 5 times, something crazy like that. So this is a really great deal, you guys. So the 1850 K-Cups, these guys are also on sale for $8.99. We have that $1.50 off 1 printable coupon, so that's going to make this $7.49, so not a bad deal. Also, let's see here. The Archer Farm K-Cups, these guys are $9.99, and when you buy 3, you'll get a $5 Target gift card. Load that 5% Cartwheel to shave off a little bit more. And then also we have the Starbucks Plus, so I think this is the one that has the protein in it. So these are on buy 3 and you get it for $9.99, and we have those printable $1.50 off 1 coupons, but it's a limit of 1 coupon, so you can only use 1 coupon in this transaction. Okay, so we have a deal on the Perrier sparkling waters. So this is regularly $5.99, and it's on sale for $4.99. There's a $1 off 1 coupon to print on coupons.com, so that makes this guy $3.99. Okay guys, so select General Mill family size cereals. These are on sale on 2 for $7 or $2.50 each. We have a printable $1 off 2 coupon from coupons.com. You can load and then we also have Savings Star offers. So you can submit $1 back on 2. So that makes these 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. And the starting price is $3.79. So not a bad deal on family size cereals. So, so let's just go ahead and do another question of the video. What is your favorite all-time cereal? My favorite cereal has always been the Fruity Pebbles. Always been my favorite. Okay, so we have a 30% off Target Cartwheel for the Pop-Tarts Vanilla Milkshake. There's a few other Target Cartwheels for Pop-Tarts, so just check your barcodes and see what Pop-Tart works for you. But these are $2.09 and the 30% off Target Cartwheel, so I'm gonna get this because my daughter is literally obsessed with vanilla shakes, so I think she's really gonna get a kick out of this. So in addition, we also have printable 50 cent off 1 coupons on coupons.com for the Honey Nut Cheerios. So you can go ahead and print 2 of those 50 cent coupons, and it'll be the same breakdown as the other family size box that I shared with you. Okay guys, so the Barilla Pasta Ready, these are on sale for $1.50, and we have that $1 off 1 coupon that came from last week's Smart Source, I believe it was. So that'll make this guy 50 cents, so not a bad deal. Okay, so we have a deal on the Ragu Simply sauce. So this has no sugar added, and that's great. So if you're feeling keto, sugar-free in your pasta sauce is good. So it's priced for $1.87. We have a 25% off Target Cartwheel and a 75% off coupon from the 823 Smart Source. So that makes this guy 63 cents. Okay, so I'm currently in the pizza section. So Red Baron is $3.69, and we also have a $1 back on 2 on Ibotta for pizza. So I think that's gonna make for a really good deal. Well, it is gonna make for a really good deal because it's currently in my cart. And also the Freschetta pizza is 2 for $10 or $5 each, and there are 45-cent cash back offers on Ibotta, and you can do it up to 3 or 4 times, one of the two. And then also, while I'm currently in the pizza section, I'm gonna actually try this Sweet Earth Veggie Lovers Pizza. So I'm really excited to try out this pizza. So it's on sale for $5.99. If you're looking for a healthier option for pizza, maybe give this guy a try. And it's also vegan. Wow, a vegan pizza. Okay, so 1/3 of the pizza, it's gonna come out to 32 net carbs. I'm gonna put this guy back. Okay, so if you guys are following a keto diet, just, you really need to read labels, because just because it's saying that it is, veggie and vegan and all this stuff, when I'm looking on the back of it, it still has it still has a really high carb content. So, when you're shopping in the grocery store, just really pay attention to the labels and all the ingredients. So check out all these ingredients. Wow. And in comparison, like the regular pizza is not that far off from that veggie pizza. I know this isn't like a health channel, but it's important to be looking at these labels when you're, buying your groceries. Okay, so now this is a pizza that could work. So 17 grams of carbohydrates, but there's 12 grams of protein, there's 12 grams of dietary fiber. So that makes this 5 grams for 1/3 of the pizza. So I'm gonna give this a try. Okay, so if you guys are familiar with the Museum of the Ice Cream, this is based in LA. So these are on sale 2 for $8, and there's a 20% Target Cartwheel. So if you want to try it out, it's here at Target. So we have a nice promo on cheese. So when you spend $15 or more, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. All you need to do is text cheese to 827-438. So we currently have a 50% off Target Cartwheel for the Laughing Cow cheese. So that would be a nice cartwheel to add. You could do the cartwheel up to 4 times. Or you can go ahead and go with the Albani string cheese. They are $3.99, and we have those $1 coupons from a few inserts ago. So that would be a good option. So yeah, some great, cheese is expensive, you guys. So this is a really nice promo. So go to Target and get some cheese. All right, you guys, so we have a nice promo on the all detergent. So the big containers of all detergent, it's the 141 fluid ounce. These are on sale for $9.99, and we have off 1 coupons that came in today's Retail Me Not, and then we also have printable coupons. So you can go ahead and use one of the insert coupons, and then you could absolutely use a off printable coupon. This deal is also running on the all power pods, and there is a Saving Star offer. So there's $1 back on Saving Star. So it's going to make for a really great deal. So let's do quick math. So $9.99 times 2 is $19.98, and then take $2 off. So now we're at $17.98, and then you get a $5 Target gift card. So now we're at $12.98, and then $1 Saving Star. So now we're at $11.98 for the both of them. Woo, for quick math. Give me a like for that quick math there. So this is a really great deal on the all detergent. So there was also a laundry deal on the Persil liquid. So these are priced for $11.99, and we have those, I think it's 2 off 1 coupons that came in last week's Retail Me Not. There was also a printable version, and there's a Saving Star offer for $2 back on Saving Star. So you can save $4 in coupons, you can save $2 in rebates, and then earn that $5 Target gift card. So if you like Persil, then this might be the route to go. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys a quick little review of the Method laundry detergent. This is in the lavender scent. It does not smell like lavender. I'm just throwing it out there right now. I purchased this when it was 25% off, and if you're looking for a lavender scent, this is not going to give you that lavender scent. Out of all of the natural detergents I have tried, the tried and true of lavender scent is going to be the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day. This is the only natural laundry detergent I've tried that actually smells like lavender, so I just thought I'd add that. Okay, so this is pretty nifty. I don't know of any coupons, but this is a new product that I am seeing, and it is the Essentials Mist. So it looks like it's like you get this little kit right here. So it's $9.99. It's a starter's kit, and they're oils and they like mist up. So it's kind of like a diffuser type thing. So I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so if you want to have your house smell like warm flannel and cozy autumn cuddle, the room sprays are priced for $1, and they are buy 2 get 1 at 50% off. So you can essentially get 3 of them for $2.50. So not a bad deal. And then also the Glade candles, they're buy 2 get 1 50% off. And you guys, don't skip out on these Glade candles because they actually smell really good. So here are the fall scents right here. So head to Target and pick them up. Okay, so now I'm just gonna give you guys kind of like a first impression sniff here. So this is the Warm Flannel Embrace. This smells really comparable to the Mahogany Teakwood from Bath and Body Works. Holy crap. And it's $2.99. Wow. This is really good. Dang it, Target. I'm gonna get all 3 of them. Oh my freaking goodness. You guys need to pick these up. Febreze Sweet Pumpkin. You know what? Do not skip on Glade and Febreze, you guys. Come to Target and try these out. Oh my God. These are good. Like, I forgot how good Glade candles are. Wow. Okay guys, so there is a 10% off Target Cartwheel for the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted collection. So I did a testing of the eyeshadow palette, and then I also did a testing of these blushes. There are printable coupons you can use. Stack it with the Cartwheel offer. I'm going to leave that Get Ready With Me in the description box of this video, so you guys can, you know, take a look and then maybe head to Target, use your coupon, use your Cartwheel, and this can make for a really great deal, especially since the prices here at Target are significantly lower than CVS. So CVS might not be the best way to go if you have a Target. Okay guys, so we have a really nice promo on the NYX Professional eyeshadow palettes. So these are on sale for $11.99. Regular price is $19.99, and we have a 50% off Cartwheels. So that makes this guy $6. This is a really great deal. There's also the Ultimate eyeshadow palettes. They're $17.99 with a 50% off Cartwheel. So it'll make it about $9. So nice little deal on this eyeshadow palette. So you're saving a lot. So there is also a 50% off Target Cartwheel for the NYX foundation. So I'm seeing foundations for $17.99. So let's just round it off to $18. So that 50% off Target Cartwheel will make it $9. And then also included are these Total Control drops. I have no clue what these do. If you know what this does, let me know. But it's priced for $13.99, and you can get this for $7 after Cartwheel. So this is a really nice deal. Okay guys, so I am currently in the skincare aisle, and we got coupons in the Retail Me Not insert for the Simples. There are $2 off 1 coupons. If I were you, I would hold on to those. There is a 10% Target Cartwheel, but I have a feeling that next week they're probably going to run a gift card promo. Anytime that we get Simple coupons, they usually run a gift card promo. So maybe wait, but you know, if you're out, then go ahead and use the Cartwheel and the coupon, and you'll save a little bit of money. But I have a feeling I'm gonna predict that it's going to be a gift card promo next week. And then I'm also seeing some clearance. This is a Skin Quench sleeping cream. So clearance is going to vary store to store. But if you have that $2 off coupon and you're in Target, take a look for this guy because it's priced for $6.98, and with that $2 off coupon, it'll come down to $4.98. So Madison Pippins, if you are watching this might do the same exact thing as the Clinique Moisture Surge because it's like a sleep quench sleeping cream. Yeah, I don't get Simple coupons, so if you guys have any extras and you want to send it to me, I'll take them. Okay guys, so I'm going to end you guys off with a deal in the hair care section. So Tresemme is priced $4.99 regular price, and when you buy 4, you're going to get a $5 Target gift card. What makes this deal even better is we have 5 off 2 coupons from the Retail Me Not from today, and you can use 2 of those coupons. So you'll buy 4 of them, you're going to take $10 off in coupons, and then you get back a $5 Target gift card. Okay, so after you factor in your coupons and gift card, it comes out to $1.24 each, which is great because the starting price is is $4.99, so this is not a bad deal. So we also have the Tresemme in the regular bottle. These guys are $3.99. I think we have 2 off of 1 coupons for the Tresemme Professionals. So these are all the deals I have to share with you this week here at Target. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment your favorite cereal, and I will talk to you guys all later. And thank you so much for 18,000 subscribers. We are 2,000 away from 20,000, and I am so incredibly happy, and I am just really humble from you guys, and I appreciate every single one of you. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.